Meow.
Whoa, magic! Okay,
Meow.
is this right?
Yeah. Make all of them close. Come on.
Careful.
Wow, they're
Yeah.
magical.
See? They're shy. That's why they're folding. Just tap like that. Yeah. Should I help you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on. Be shy. Be shy, plants. Be shy. That's why it's called makahiya, because they're shy when someone touches them.
Oh. It's like they think we're villains?
Yeah.
Ah, they're not. Okay, let's go.